Good morning, everyone. It is February the 1st, 2016. It's time to kick off a new trading month and a new trading week. And we come in today, we had Friday's very strong rally that took both equities and treasuries higher. And zero interest rates mean that, or negative interest rates as Japan is advertised, affect everybody's. It's all related to everybody else's, and if Japan lowers their interest rates, it will impact others. Negative interest rates really show you how bad the current economic conditions are and likely to get worse. The dream of all Keynesian economists and governments that are based on Keynesian economic policies is to increase inflation now, which will help the economy. What it does, increasing inflation, means that the governments pay back debt with cheaper dollars. That is a guarantee. So here we are, London held. We got resistance definitely at 24 above that, and the last rotate up stopped at 20. And we're at 17 right now. So this 20 to 24 area will be sell 1. 27 to 31 will be sell 2. On the buy side, because it is a B, we are pointed lower. 9 to 13 buy 1. And then we'll go back to the breakout. We're going to play for 1 to 5 for buy 2. Now we do have news that can impact the trading today. China's production numbers, manufacturing numbers, were lower than forecast. Both the official and the private estimate of production was in the 48s. Definitely below 50. I don't know if the Chinese, the official one was. China is forecasting 6.5% growth next year, if you can believe that. But we have a spate of news this morning. Personal income plus 0.3. Personal spending, where the focus will be, is plus 0.1. 70% of our economy is tied to retail consumer spending. The Gallup consumer spending number last month was 99. Don't know what it'll be this month. PMI manufacturing at 52.6. Come in lower than forecast. ISM manufacturing 48.3. And construction spending plus 0.6. That one definitely could come in lower than forecast. So the focus will be personal spending, ISM manufacturing, and the direction of the E-mini. I think fundamentals support at least a trading range in treasuries today and or higher prices. So I like the buy side a little better than the sell side, but it can certainly sell failure early in the session to take out 129.20. Okay, looking at the 30-year, similar pattern. Have resistance at 10 to 12, so 11 to 15 will be sell 1. And 23, 27 will be sell 2. Again, the direction of the E-mini will probably be the determining factor because we've got a lot more volatility in this contract. 29 to 01, buy 1. And 17 to 21, buy 2. Failure to get through 12.16 sets up a pretty good short in my opinion. After trend days, we typically see pause days, but we do have news this morning that can impact the trading. Gold is higher, crude is lower, and I believe the euro bounced a little bit over the weekend. Okay, gold got into that 15 to 17 area, this high volume number right here, and it held. And we're at 24, so 25, 27 is resistance. Sell 1. 29 to 31, sell 2. On the buy side, 21 to 19, buy 1. And then 14 to 16, buy 2. Looking at the euro. Okay, 8.25 held, and we're at 8.75 right now. So let's make 109, sell 1, and 25, sell 2. On the buy side, 850, then 824, buy 2. Expected trading range here too, and 109 plus, maybe 108.50 minus. Okay, the chatter over the weekend is it doesn't look like OPEC's going to be able to cut back, get a deal, and cut back their production. Really hard to do. So crude oil is selling once again. And you can see we got a very, very clean breakdown in this 31.75 area. So buy 1, 32, 31.75. Really like the short side better. 31, 31.25, buy 2. 32.75, 33 evens, sell 1. And then 33.25, 33.50, sell 2. Now to the E-mini. Okay, usually we get a pause day after a big rally. We had 400-point rally in the Dow on Friday. That is a big number. So anticipate that we have perhaps a pause day facing us today. And the last rotate up was 21.50, then 25. We're currently at 16, so 20 to 25 will be sell 1. Very, very aggressive. 30 to 35 will be sell 2. The idea that we can hold. The breakout came from the basically the 1910 area. So 5 to 10 will be buy 1. 95 to 1900 will be buy 2. The economic numbers that continue to come out really do not show economic strength for the most part. Some do, and the ones that do, nobody believes. So we're just, when you cry wolf enough times, when you cook the books enough times, you get to a point where it doesn't work anymore. And it's pretty easy to see that there's a lot of statistical smoothing or spoofing done by our reporting agencies these days. Personal income plus 0.3. Personal spending plus 0.1. They like to see more personal spending than income. Gallup, consumer spending per day, 99. Last month, don't know what it'll be today. PMI, 52.6, could come in lower than forecast. ISM, 48.3, could come in lower than forecast. And construction spending plus 0.6 could come in lower than forecast. Take a bit to get everything up and posted. Going to get busy on that. I will be with you as soon as possible.